This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make whipped cream no heavy cream updated. Start by chilling your bowl in beaters for 10 to 15 minutes to boost aeration. Choose a base like aquafaba, coconut cream, or evaporated milk, and add a thickener such as powdered sugar, cornstarch, or gelatin. Whip on medium-high speed until soft peaks form, then taste and adjust sweetness and flavor. I'll guide you through the best base options and when to use each one. Aquafaba gives light, airy peaks and works well for frosting and mouses. Coconut cream delivers richness and body with a distinct flavor that suits tropical or chocolate desserts. Evaporated milk is a good neutral option when combined with powdered sugar or gelatin, giving creaminess without coconut notes and staying stable longer. Next, I'll share stabilizing tricks to keep your whipped topping fluffy and reliable. Powdered sugar adds sweetness, and a touch of cornstarch that helps structure peaks right away. Dissolved gelatin or a plant-based agar solution gives strong, long-lasting stiffness for piping and layered desserts. Always chill the base and tools, whip at steady speed, and stop when you have soft to medium peaks for the best texture without overbeating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.